Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to screenshot WhatsApp profile picture. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is obviously open up your WhatsApp. Now once you're inside here, now from here just choose the contact that you would like to screenshot their profile picture. So for example, if I want to do this mobile contact, then from here I want to click onto the name. And if I go ahead and try and screenshot this page here, it will say this app doesn't allow screenshots. So in order to fix this, what we need to do is scroll down. Then you go ahead and have to save the number. And then once you save the number under encryption, it will say contact details. But I'm on an Android mobile device, and for Androids at this point in time, you can't take screenshots. This only works for iOS device users. And then once you've saved the contact, you can go ahead and look at the profile photo. And from here, just take a screenshot.